Back to confirm something. Alright, I might be going to my friend's place. He has an airsoft field, and I'll be showing you some stuff. I might be getting a smoke grenade that I might want to show you. It might be raining. It is raining right now, sadly. So yeah, that's an update. Also confirmed on the June 3rd Airsoft War. I'm also going to be doing a review of, well, a tour of the dang, I suck. Anyway, a review of my airsoft field soon. If I can get out here when the rain stops, I'll try and get you a review. So, see you later.